back with another video, and I have a card opening, 2 Yu-Gi-Oh pack, 1 Pokemon card. Whoopsie! I'm gonna get them open real quick. Whoa. No, get. Okay. Alright, I'm going Yu-Gi-Oh first because I have 2 Yu-Gi-Oh packs. Whoops. So the sparkly. Whoops. So there's a sparkly one in each one of these packs. The sparkly one for this pack is Trickster Chorus. Whoa, wait. Is that a Lynx? Oh my gosh. That looked like a freaking spell. That looked like a spell card, and I was like, wait, what? A Link spell card? What? My first ever Link monster. Altergeist Prime Banshee. Whoa. Wait, there's no defense. Wait, where are the defense points? There are no defense points. It says Link 3 or -3. Not sure where the defense points would be, and then Scapper. Okay. So next up is a Pokemon pack. Whoops, I accidentally saw a card. But I'm not going to say what that card was. It's a Forbidden Light pack.
I lost the green thing.
Wow. Aw, man.
You lost it.
No, I didn't. Okay, that was a card. That was like one of those little promotional card things. So an importer trainer card. Furfuro. This is the card that I had saw, and then Litleo. And the final pack is Yu-Gi-Oh.
Michael, look at this double.
So the sparkly card for this is Draconite.
No, it's double.
Cyber monster. Okay, I'm trying to get some cyber monsters. Next up is Goki. I'm just gonna call it. No, I'm not gonna Wait, what? I'm not gonna call it Goku. Goki, Scorpio.
I'll say like a. Then just land back on it.
And Stack Reviver. Okay. I'm gonna try to not upload as many Roblox Monster Jam videos as I was. I uploaded a crap ton, so yeah. I'll see you all next. Wait, 1 second. I'll see you all next time. Peace out.